earthquake. 5.5 on the Richter.
Near Sunny.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
What the? We're vibrating. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Hey, that's like you and Josh.
What the hell? What about the plates?
I'm vibrating.
Whoa, the fridge just opened.
That's so scary. That's kind of scary.
Oh my gosh.
We got paranormal, man.
No, it goes for 5 to 10 minutes.
Does it? Oh my god. This is so wrong. I can make your bed rock. Oh my god, what the? Awkward. There's a crack. Is that it?
This is an official emergency announcement by the ACT issued by ACT Territory Control. The Canberra region has just experienced an earthquake that measured 8 on the modified McCarthy scale. The following information is intended to stay calm and assist others if
I can make your bed rock.
I can make your bed.
unless you require urgent emergency assistance.
Alright, I'm over it.
Turn off gas, electricity and water and check
it's
for
done.
damage to your building. You should evacuate buildings that have sustained structural damage.
Oh. Wow, it all does it on its own. That's scary and like weird. Do you want to do it again? Nah. Bye.